How to create an account on Fiverr. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create an account on Fiverr, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the Fiverr application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner you can see the option sign in. Tap on it. Now, you can either use your email or your username and your password if you already have an account previously. However, if you do not have an account and want to create a new one, tap on join, which is in the bottom left corner of your screen. After you do that, you can either use your email, your Google or your Facebook. After you choose any one of the options you like, now Fiverr will ask you two questions that are buying freelance services or selling freelance services. You can tap on the one which you are using. After you do that, Fiverr can ask you various questions, and according to your need and suitability you can choose the options you like. After you do that, you will successfully be logged into your Fiverr account. So this is how you can create an account on Fiverr. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.